Good morning student. Today we will discuss question first of exercise 15.3. So this is A part and you have to draw the graph between number of apples and their cost. So on x-axis take number of apples 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and on y-axis take cost of the apple. So scale x-axis 1 unit is equal to 1 apple and y-axis 1 unit is equal to rupees 5. So this is the point. 1 apple cost is 5, 2 apple cost is 10. Like this, locate the point and join them. It is a linear graph. Now in second, it is the graph between time and distance. On x-axis take 1 unit is equal to 1 hour and on y-axis 1 unit is equal to 40 kilometer. So at 6 am distance covered is 40 kilometer. At 7 am distance covered is 80 kilometer and at 8 am distance covered is 120. Like this, locate the point and join the point. You will get linear graph. Now on the basis of this graph we have two questions. First is how much distance did the car cover during the period 7:30 to 8 am. So in 1 hour distance covered is 40 kilometer. So 7:30 to 8 am it is half an hour. So in 30 minutes distance covered is 20. So write first part 20 kilometer. Now what was the time when the car had covered a distance of 100 kilometer? So it will cover 100 kilometer at 7:30 is up to 80 kilometer it covered at 7 am. So in 30 minutes it will cover 20 kilometer. So at 7:30 it will cover 100 kilometer. Now third part, it's a graph between rupees deposit and simple interest on it. So on x-axis take 1 unit is equal to 1000, 0, 1000, 2000, 3000, 4000, 5000. On y-axis 1 unit is equal to rupees 80, 80, 160, 240, 320, 400. So this is the graph between deposit and interest. Now some question are there. Does the graph pass through the origin? No. Sorry, remove this line. Okay. Second, use the graph to find the interest on 2500 for a year, that is rupees 200, and to get an interest of 280 we have to deposit 3500 rupees. Fine.